Hello, I'm Lloyd, and I'm on my computer with my favorite Subliminal software program. Over the past year, I've lost weight, I've gotten rid of some ugly habits, and I'm more motivated and confident than I've ever been. What if you could finally succeed at getting rid of bad habits, losing weight, being more motivated and more confident, or overcoming fears like public speaking or fear of failure? Using MindZoom software on my PC, that's exactly what I've done over the past year, and you can too. Anyone can get the same results I did, or even better. Since I started sharing my experience, I've heard from dozens of people who tell me they've had similar success. I am 100% confident in subliminal technology based on my experiences, hearing from others, and research that I've read showing that subliminal messages work. With this leading-edge software for PC and for Mac, you can start right away to reprogram bad habits, boost your confidence and self-esteem, learn faster, overcome fears, eliminate stress. You can feel happier and more motivated, and you can lose weight. This software is so simple and easy to use that you can get started right away, and no matter what your technical knowledge is, the help features and the tutorials are amazing. The MindZoom interface is super simple to use. First of all, the affirmations is where you choose the affirmation that you want to flash on your screen. You can edit any of them and you can create your own and save it as whatever you like. For example, my affirmations. Then it's very easy to choose the position that you want it to flash on your screen. You can choose the color you want, the font style that you want, and how fast you want it to flash on your screen. The silent subliminal messaging converts affirmations that you selected to flash on the screen into a subliminal voice track. The subliminal messages go directly to your subconscious through a subliminal frequency envelope outside of your conscious awareness. Then you have the subliminal mixer, where you can create your own audio subliminal with music or sounds that you decide and whatever subliminal affirmations that you want. You can use binaural or isochronic beats. Don't worry about it if it looks complex to you, because this help program is the best that I've ever seen. Okay, just quickly, an example. The software is explained step by step with pictures, or if you prefer, you can watch video tutorial that shows you step by step exactly how to do things. One of the things that are really good about this is a guide about how to write great affirmations, and a guide also to show you how to create a plan to achieve whatever goals that you want to achieve with your affirmations. So this is absolutely the greatest help program I've ever seen with a software. Now, there's a couple of things. First, with MindZoom, you don't need to buy pre-made subliminal audio with maybe bad music or a message that's not exactly right for you. And you don't have to rely on YouTube videos that may not be genuine subliminal recordings. And the best part is the price. It costs only $19 for a 21-day trial. Then, the lifetime investment after 21 days is only $48. That means you get access for 21 days. You can cancel anytime, and there's an 8-week money-back guarantee backed by ClickBank. Now, ClickBank has been in business for more than 20 years, and they always honor their guarantees. always. So, grab this now, because this literally holds the key to reprogramming your subconscious to achieve what you want instantly. And this popular new mixer, where you create your own audio programs, is only going to be part of this package for a limited time. They're going to increase the price for that mixer. So, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose with the 8-week money-back guarantee. There's no small print, and there's literally zero risk. So act now. Grab your copy as soon as you can before the price increases for the mixer. Click on the link below and get started. Thank you.